In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly import customers into your Shopify store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in your customer list using a CSV file so everything lands in the right place and you can get back to selling faster. First, open the Shopify website and go to your Shopify admin. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Customers. This is where all of your customer records live, and it's the starting point for bringing in a list all at once. At the top of the Customers page, click Import. This opens a small window that handles the upload process. Here, you'll add your CSV file. Click Add File, then navigate to the file on your computer, select it, and confirm. Make sure you're choosing the CSV you prepared for this import. A quick note on that file before you continue. Your CSV should use clear column headers that match Shopify's customer fields, like first name, last name, email, phone, and address details. Keep everything in a single sheet, save the file as CSV, and use UTF-8 encoding if you have special characters. Clean data makes this process smooth. Check for duplicates, consistent capitalization, and valid emails. If you're moving from another platform, ensure the headers are aligned to Shopify's fields to avoid mismatches during import. Back in the import window, once your file is attached, review what you've selected to be sure it's the correct file. When you're ready, click Import Customers. Shopify will process the file and start adding those records to your customers list. If you're importing a large list, give it a moment. When the import completes, refresh your customers page and spot check a few entries to confirm details like names, emails, and addresses came through correctly. Look for things like unexpected characters, missing fields, or formatting issues. If you notice anything off, fix your CSV and repeat the import with the corrected file. A few helpful tips as you work. Keep your original CSV saved so you have a backup. Avoid extra spaces or hidden characters in columns. And, if you use tags or marketing preferences in your business, include those as columns so they're captured during import. Also, if you're updating existing customers, consistency is key. Use the same email address those customers already have in your store so records align. That's it. Open Shopify, click Customers, click Import, add your CSV, and then click Import Customers. With a clean CSV and a quick review, your customer list will be ready to go in Shopify.